Welcome back to another beginner SolidWorks tutorial. In this video series, we're going to be doing some CSWA basics practice. We're going to just cover the basics from beginner level on the Extrude feature. Let's go ahead and practice with just this shape here. We have on sketch 1, we just have a circle drawn. But before that, guys, go ahead and check out in the description. I have a link for the beginner's guide to SolidWorks for free. All yours in the description. Join my Patreon if you want full-length exclusive SolidWorks content. With that said, let's get started. So, the nature of the Extrude feature, you need a closed sketch first in order to complete an extrusion. Let's go up here. We're out of the sketch. We're going to go to Features tab. We're going to go up to this first feature here, Extruded Boss Base. We're presented with this left strip here. We're going to select from the sketch plane, and we're going to go in a blind direction. You can see it's giving us a preview already, and an arrow in the direction of which way we are extruding. We can flip that direction with this button here to change the direction. We have several options other than blind. We have up to vertex, up to surface, which you'll see in future videos of why these are so important. Offset from surface, mid plane. So if we wanted to cut the planes down the center and kind of go in both directions like that, you can see our sketch is this blue line. We can select that, but let's leave it at the first one for now. So you can see our sketch is on this back face here, and we're extruding up from that plane. And our distance, we can increase that. You can see our preview is changing as we increase. Other contours, the one we have selected now is sketch 1 is already selected. If we wanted to reselect, we could clear selections, but we will see how that's populated now when we select the circle. All these other settings we'll get into in future videos. Draft, if you turn this on, you can actually set how tapered it is. That's another advanced feature that we will not get into for now. For CSWA SolidWorks Beginner, we're going to go ahead and select OK. And now you can see in our design tree, we have our extrusion boss with the sketch 1 consumed underneath it. We can always turn the sketch on if we want, or we can suppress it. Either way, that is the simple tutorial for an example on SolidWorks Extrude. Thanks so much, guys. We'll see you in the next one. Subscribe to the channel. Comment below what you want to see next as a beginner SolidWorks user. And don't forget to get that free SolidWorks guide in the description. Thanks so much.